Ex-ADC member pingna DA Hills Additional Chief Secretary Li Samphangda Memorandum ni Sanghaira. Kamchong District Weightlifting Association eina Olympic Association na khare weightlifting talent hunt rung mi haira. Lekhyang Thor aje Tangkhul Express Pvt pau Rinmichon Khamsak ina pami tale. Pau ping meisa ina ngang roomsa. Atam kasang khapan kahai ADC elections wuivang Manipuri ex-ADC members forum na Manipur Tribal Affairs and Hills Department Additional Chief Secretary Anurag Bajpai Li Sampanghaira. Forum Chui Convener RS Ngaran Chui Nathanda Anurag Bajpai Li Sanjenthong Head Office Imphal Aya Wasampangda Memorandum Misanghaira. ADC elections we maramay nang soda ex-ADC's pension scheme maramli lang sanhaira. ADC elections adam sangkahay hina sagazil later clay. Gala panchayat elections kachang thuruk alungli sami mikhavai Manipur High Court na state chorkarli jizumi kahay maram hangsanga. Kapungbamli elected local bodies makhalei hina hakasang rekasang li haphaira. Local governance ngazan may ngsakhayra kaji hangda kathaga action kui mikhavai additional chief secretary li pohaira. Additional Chief Secretary Tribal Affairs and Hills Anurag Bajpai na positive satang han kaya kaji hanga. Kapung districts li miken sang kami maramli ADCs na yang sang da khalei primary schools khalei hill districts we education system maling may kang sakhi department we priority na da Anurag Bajpai na hanga chi. 2018 to 2019 EMRS Eklavya Residential Model School li sanction gasa project we ot gasa department china active sada monitor satellite da hanga. EMRS Riha Kala, EMRS Chantil, EMRS Churachandpur la mga wala kay nazada ajukum khayon gachangli tharkat ka khawai ngaran haira sara da hanga chi. Kala Kangpokpi Katha Kapung District Natatei the wuivang arila EMRS Phanga Truk Sanction Sakawai Indian Chorkar Ministry of Tribal Affairs li Bohaira da hanga. EMRS schools li tribal katamnaw bing mathami thui kaji infrastructure samphangra. Chiwi total investment katamnaw akhali lupa 1.44 lakhs hersanki kachina. Chi kachang khali thingthrada khani ungdaya da additional chief secretary na hang chithaya. Additional Chief Secretary China Delhi Khawali Manipur Hill Districts li Higher Education Institutes Shokhawai Ministry of Higher Education with Secretary IAS Vinit Joshi li Sanhaira Gachila hanga. Hill Districts li Industrial Estates Samlaka Employment Apong Khwiramilaka per capita income mathaming Sakhawai Kasa Maramla Anurag Bajpai na hangchithaya. Jantil Kamchong Gathali Industrial Estates Project Kathar Khwira Khawai proposal hapokhaira. Kala chiwi land availability and acquisition process satalei kachila hanga. Kala chi Indian Chorkar Ministry of MSME with funding ina semra da hanga. Yukrul kala Chandil with Industrial Estates Thargat ka Khawai ngaran haira. Kala Thargat kathumwi proposals ministry li misang haira da Bajpai na hanga chi. Hill Districts li MSME Technology kala tool room centers la high mirror kala Chili Hill areas border villagers pingwi residential facilities la lera da hanga. Ex-ADC members forum we mi ping Chili additional chief secretary na kahang. Ex-ADC member pingli pension benefits mikhavai file jila mga balak ana zata implementation thaklak ana rahaura. Anurag Bajpai we azingli Tribal Affairs and Hills Department Manipur na people-centric inclusive administration kala mga khawa samphanga da ex-ADC forum china ningshi phongshoka. Bangasa utilization certificates saikorali clear saira kala Bajpai we azingli effective accountable kala transparent governance khwiraya gachila forum china hanga. Reaching the unreached Kachi Ningrini na Kachang Kachi da Hili District's headquarters visit laya Kachila forum china hangsanga. ADCs le Adam Chada Talob Kamila Mayanga Yada forum china kapisanga. Higatha measures in a government machinery li shit kasang leng saklu shit Kachila forum china hanga. Hangda Kalehi ex-ADC members forum Manipuri convener RS Ngaranchwina Shwaisada Mikshok press chanba watishuda pong kamina. Tangkhul Kharesada Riha Khali National Wuivang weightlifting talent hunt room haira. Angran Angyeje Kamchong District Weightlifting Association Kamchong District Olympic Association li ngshikda aya rihali mkhokmiya. Singum chishat eina hapokta tharada khani na tangda wuivang rungkhami angran angyeje li national hang chishata akha shinau thumada tharuk mayarnau hangmadi da phanga na sharukhuya. Angran Angyeje Experts Team Manipur Weightlifting Association we General Secretary Sanasam Procentro, YAS Coach, CH Premita Devi Coach, NSA, D Bobo Singh Coach, NSA, Kala M Sunibala Devi Coach, RCC, YAS Atumna Kanuithot Pingchili Screen Sai. Weightlifting Talent Hanchili National Hang Pangada T-shirt Kapangkhuyair. Atumli Kamchong District Weightlifting Association Zimiksho Mukada Panga Training Mira. Training Ji Rihali Rumila Paida Leya. Intelligence and NAP Manipur IGP IPS Warngam Ningshiya Kasat Kasangli Kamchong District Weightlifting Association we Pekar Jili Maya Khangai Pongshoka. Chalak ay nangagui kami kala yarawi kutom kami zangda itumui naungrana state kala ngale wuivang mai khaya khuyungra gachi IGP ningshiya kasatsanga. Manipur Olympic Association President Sunil Ilangpam na kahang weightlifting talent hunt li ragzang thotrin chan li achui hina machine chumai thuya. Kamchong District Weightlifting Association na hawphok hai chili ring phalaka. Rakhara Adamni Discipline Katela Rara Sarada Manipur Olympic Association President China Kazum Sanga. Kamchong District Olympic Association President Ngjon Mi Pam Shangna Ava Pingle Kasata Naungrali Ngreong Hanli Zangkhavai Katomtheilak Hanga. Naungara came Sports League Zang Eina Healthy Society Kala Kanuithotwe Alungli Pha Khamei Habits Khurara Kachi Hangsanga. Itumui naungarali competitive sports wuivang krum gasala terkar saya gaja luiram hili apongdara khalayada Kamchong District Olympic Association President na hangsanga. Kamchong District we national bingna thangkha mathangkha ngareong ngahan atam kathara we torch bearers kasarada Manipur Olympic Association and Ipungo Chobi Joint Secretary na hangsanga. Tangkhul Naga Zingsho Longpangwi Vice Chairman Otpam Masai Gahai Wuivang Midterm Poll Election Sakhavai Datraha Darik Tharathang Langchin Sahir. Tangkhul Naga Long Chief Election Commissioner na Jishat Khamya Tishuda Election with Nomination Paper Datraha October Darik Akathang Mishokra. Datraha Madithang Nomination Paper Misangra Darik Tharuktang Nomination Paper Mayar Yangra. Darik Shini na tangda nomination paper kalan baira. Darik jugo thang public platform kala darik tharathang khanmet singra. Bowling dadraha darik thrang athor pung shini eina hopokta ngshun pung khani na tangda sara. Jiwithili khanmet kashan lera kala result la chithang phomira. Thaiso literary meet simiksho khani thang rumi ta mapung phalak eina kupsang haira. Angran Angyeje achahon tarik akathang hawphoklaka aya tarik khani thang kupsanga. Thaiso literary gazib chili DKS President Rinmichon ke shingna masowo KKL President Mashumi Zingkhaina khayawo sada wazanga. DKS kala KKL kathana khanini na katamnaw pingle kakatom tu hangsanga. Thaiso literary michili Thaiso we jurisdiction ni khale worship tharada guthumna sharukhuyachi. Angran angye ungshung khangasak kagatom kala seha sakhami wuivang mapung gaphana da Thaiso executives na ningashi pongshoka. Dengnobal district shong worship akhawe naushinau hangshini gada gazaka highway tili worship ji shung haira. Teachers Day mayon khawai angran angye langchin sahai kasala ngson haira. Sida Government High School we naushinau hangshini gada hapta akhawe alungni gaza hawachi. Gagazaji dai food maninga kha hachang nang kapung gazadra da nimong da ava pingli ninga krikling sakhaira. Gagaza gadam nau pingchi hau kapokle primary health care li khuiwasaya kha pet ngacha phauda gadam nau dara khali shimling hang sakhawachi. Hiwiwang Cookie Students Organization na School Management and Development Committees li ngshikda aya Chief Medical Officer li ngawhaira. Medical team Chihomi Mikhavai kala Khalei medical camp rumi Mikhavai la worship pamli malaria foking tribe sat ngasa khawai bohaira. GSO District Education Secretary Mimin Madina Kahang katamnaw hangshini lang da gazadale atumli medical attention thakta khamitar kar saya kala hachang na gapung gazati mangyaw khawai phaikar ga khuitar kar saya medical inventions thakta mara kha zakshi sangpaya katamnaw pingmang maningla yari gateli la sazu paya da ningka kharik phongshokhaira Health monitoring systems mathada khalei darkar kasa maleilak eina healthcare sanga phangli kasa khalei kaphung districts abam pingli health monitoring systems mathada high committee kar sayakachi health expert pingna hanghaira angrethi staple masarang lakhaina tangda sida government high school chi mushofumra da laya Anganwadi centers in primary schools abama khali leikhangsak maramli acha Ministry of Women and Child Development na Department of School Education and Literacy na guidelines mishoki dale Ministry of Women and Child Development na Department of School Education and Literacy Ministry of Education ningshiya Anganwadi centers in schools co-location we maramli guidelines acha tarik thumthang Vikya Pawan New Delhi launch Sara. Guidelines China Early Childhood Care and Education Li Integrated Models Kazang Anganwadi Skala Schools Abama Kali Khalewi Kan Khana Maramli Hangrachi. BIP Li Bau Khami Atishuda Anganwadi Centers 2.9 lakh school pamli leitale. Guidelines China Operational Maramli Ngararik Energy Tamida Model Ji Mling Mikhavai Nchonra da Hanga. Dhadau now nekam chum hauli sagathadli All Manipur United Clubs Organization nala makhamaya phongshokhaira Zingkum hangphanga da chiko Dhadau Literature Society Assamui Chairman nekam chum hauli direct thumrathang GRA group we militants na sagathadna da amyuko na hanga Ot sakji micham makhaning kala apam hiwi chimi kahai stability li sheka khud na da amyuko na hanga Khayon ma khalei mili kharin na social harmony sajaya kachi hangda Manipur terrorist activities tang sa khawai ngwaw haira Amyuko na authorities li ngakawda khayon na pingli action khui khawai kala rakhara adamli jikatha adex mashok ngsa khawai preventive measures khui khami po haira Manipur University we official noting kala drafting li Hindi shijin khawai office order mishok haira Noting kala drafting li Hindi shijin khawai institution chui sections kala department saikorali jizu khami le haira jizu khami chi official language implementation committee we kazip phai tarik chishadli kata tuitak athishu da khrana chi Registrar Professor M Premjit Singh na shoisa da mikashok order chili kahang University with sections kala departments li Hindi implementation chi review sakawai quarterly inspections lera. IT pau atishuda directive chi Vice Chancellor's Office, Finance Officer, Controller of Examinations, Deans, Directors, Officers, Sectional Heads kala concerned officials pingli miya. Pegarji Official Language Implementation Committee na University Administrative Functions li Hindi hi Official Language sakawai hotnara kashuna da hanga kachi IT pau samphanga Latluida achu khamataya pau ping Ex-ADC member pingna DA Hills Additional Chief Secretary li samphangda memorandum ni sanghaira Kamchong District we Weightlifting Association eina Olympic Association na khare weightlifting talent hunt room mi haira Achu pau hiling changhaira pau ngana da khle Nathum saikorali ringa phagala khamhaya zimishong sasirano